Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this makeup look. I was inspired by Xlent.artistry on Instagram. This looks easy and bronzy and beautiful and all the things, but when I tell you I struggled with this eye, you'll see, and I'm not going to cut it all out. I want it to be real and raw so you can see that mistakes are okay in makeup and it just wipes off and you just attempt it again. But yeah, if you want to see me attempt this makeup look, then let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so to start out with, I'm going to be covering up this monster right here. And to do that, I'm going to take the NARS Pot Concealer in the shade Medium on Custard. And I'm just going to dab it right there. So next I'm going to go in with the Catrice Prime and Fine Poreless Blur Primer. And I'm just going to use it to fill in my pores and prime the face as well. Leave that like that. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation that lasts up to 24 hours. I'm going to be taking two different shades here, 060 and 035, because I want more of a golden look because that's how the picture looks. And this right here is my shade. And then we're going to take the darker shade and just put a little bit right there. And we're going to mix the two together. Next I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place Eye and Magic Concealer and just putting a little bit on the eyes. If you remember, the picture has no eyeshadow. It's just basically the artwork, the liner. And I think that's what makes it beautiful and unique. Next I'm going to take the Morphe Banana Powder and just take a little bit and set the eyelids and underneath the eyes. Now I'll be going in with the Jaclyn Cosmetic Blush Bronzer Duo Palette, and I'm going to be picking up the shade Yummy Toffee because that look was so sun-kissed it made me just want to be at the beach like right now. And I think I could probably actually go a little bit darker on the bronzer. Now I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Always Spicy Blush and just going to put just a little bit because the picture doesn't have a lot of blush. I see more like bronze than blush, but I cannot live without blush. I'm just going to dab that out. Next I'm going to go ahead and take the Jaclyn Cosmetics Flare Palette. I'm going to be picking up the shade Glow Up and just adding a little bit of highlight right there. Now we're going to get into it, and for the eyes I'm going to be using the Jelly Wink Cosmetics Water Activated Liner, and you just dip it into some water and then that activates the liner like that. So here's the picture one more time, and her name is Roxanne_69. Okay. Here we go. So I'm going to let my eyes go ahead and crease because where the crease is, I want to go above that. Or I feel like a 3-year-old trying to color. Alright guys, so I just wanted to leave this part in here because sometimes it happens. This is real raw makeup moment. Sometimes it just don't work. I can't get my bottom little doohickeys right here like she has them, so we're just gonna take them off and not have any at all. But I don't want to delete this part out. I just want to keep it, you know, as real and raw as possible because it happens. You mess up, you start all over. But in this case, I'm just going to use the concealer there and just dab it out and move on to the next eye because it's just not working for me, and it don't work all the time. I'm going to go ahead and shape out the other eye. I'll be back to put some shimmer on the lids, and then that'll be it. Alright guys, this eye is now complete. That was more difficult than it looks. I know it's not 100% even. This kind of looks a little wonky, but I love how I was sitting here talking and I wasn't even recording. Wow. Yeah, this is not a vibe. I'm not feeling it, but... Okay, so anyways, I was trying to say before I realized that I wasn't recording that I'm going to take the golden palette. I'm not sure where I got this from. I cannot remember, but it does have these shimmers, golds, shimmery, beautiful madness in it. So I think I'm just going to take probably this shade right here. I don't know if we can see. Let me swatch. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let me see. Oh, it's great. It's got glitter in my nose. Yeah, that did work. It's really pretty. See, you can kind of cover up your imperfections with glitter and liner and stuff like that. So, of course, this isn't her look to the T, but so far I'm really pleased with it. Guys, you already know I'm using the Ioni 3D Faux Mink Lashes from the dollar store. Again, beautiful, full, thick. Let's do it. Alright, I've let my glue get tacky, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop these right here as close to the lash line as possible. Give me some tweezers and just make sure that they are secure. Go ahead and finish up and put a black coal eyeliner in the bottom lash line. A little bit more lip gloss. I mean, it's not exactly like hers. I did have some trouble over here, you guys can see, but overall I really like it. I'm going to go ahead and take this is the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray as well, but it's just in the holiday edition. And I'm just going to spray and dab that out. Alright guys, I believe that completes this makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Remember that mistakes are okay. I made several in this video. And yeah, so until next time, I guess that's it, guys. Bye.